Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to know on Snapchat if someone is online. Let's get started. So you can actually head over and then create a snap and then send this to someone. So let's try to send this to this person. And once you have sent this to this person, you can head over and see if that person has viewed it. So if that person actually viewed the snap that you have just sent, then that means that they're actually online. Now in here, there's also another option that you can do. You can head over right here to your snap map and then you can locate them on your snap map right here. So for example, they're around in here on Gapon. You can zoom in and then once you have found them on a specific location, that should be able to make you certain that they're there. But if you can find them on the location that you think they're in, then that means that they're not online or Snapchat or they're somewhere else. So what you can do in that case is to just conclude if they're online or not through the map location. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!